Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to the Light Tommy C. Hello, welcome to Friday, May 22nd. Today's video, what we are planning to talk about is a little bit about what I thought about the tender operation that Carnival does to help you guys out on your next tender port, either to Half Moon Key, Turks and Caicos, Aruba, uh, Grand Cayman Islands, or any of those. It's like also, it's like also looking around like at the several different radio stuff that they use. Like number one, which is really great, at this port that I'm going to, they got like several different radios that they use there. But they got your usual marine radio frequencies because they kind of are like a marine port. It's like also It's like also looking around, like at the several different stuff. Like number one is like listening to like the different radio stuff that are from like all around. It's like also It's like also looking around, like at the several different stuff that they have. Like number one, what's great about the Turks and Caicos uses like different stuff there. It's like number one, what I would recommend is you guys try to bring your Baofeng UV5R with you. Because honestly, if you guys could bring that on your cruise, they got like a lot of different stuff there. It's like number one, we already talked about number one. And number two, the second tip, be ready for a change of port. Like like we were we were supposed to go to Grand Cayman. But we got changed around and we went to Cozumel. I'm not saying Cozumel is a bad port. It just gets really hot there. And their water is like a different taste. Like we had to buy like Daisy water. And like when we came back, it's like also it's like also looking around like at the several different areas. It's like also number one we already talked about number one. Number two is using a great mind. Number three is have the specialty restaurants, but the specialty restaurants, they're at like like a lot of different places. If you guys are not used to those places, I probably wouldn't recommend you guys go there. Because honestly, it will surprise you. Like on these Virgin voyages, I have not been on the Scarlet Lady. And honestly, I don't think I would like it. Not saying that you guys would like it. It's like another thing to look for, like on your cruise ships, is it's like looking around like at the several different radios that they have on board. Like the cruise director, he doesn't usually use a radio. But it's like also looking around like at the different stuff that they have like on board for like kids. My kid, like the kids stuff they have Camp Ocean for the little kids. They have like Circle C for like the teenagers. They have like Club O2 for the high school kids. So they have like kind of like a variety. But if you guys are like 18, 19, 20, 20 in that age before the casino area, I would recommend you guys just stick to the water slides and just try to look around. Now, now also, now also to go look around like at the several. Now the Otros Rios port, it started raining there, but that didn't cause us to go, okay, that we are going to stay on our ship and stay. That just gave us an idea for like a new obstacle. Because there was a cruise ship right here. Our cruise ship was docked like this. This was how big the port was, like all the way up here, all the way to the top of my camera. So, like, also, it's like also looking around, like at the several different places. But it's like also our our cruise ship, the Carnival Paradise. I have to say that honestly, I was really liked the crew on there. The crew was like really nice, I have to say. I like our dinner staff. I liked our our our, our crew on the bridge. I liked our fun care staff. There was like a lot of good stuff. Now, now on the Carnival Victory, so like on the Carnival Victory, there's like a seaside theater like right here. Like like right here was like the TV. Like over here was like the bathroom. Like over there we didn't have a kitchen, but that was okay. because we really did not want to cook anything on board. All we just wanted to do was just go relax and enjoy the cruise. Now, now also, now, now also going to go look around, like at the different stuff. Now, we already talked about my approval on like using radio scanners on board, my approval on like using the Baofeng UV5R, using like looking around like at the different stuff around the ports. Now, like using it going to the airport, me and my mom and my grandma did like a really good port idea there in Miami. We did a thing called the Everglades tour. It was a speedboat tour, and then after that, we got to see some alligators at the end. We got to see the entire port. That was really nice. And also what I thought was really nice of our a couple things that were nice. If you guys have like a disability, you guys can go like to the you guys can go call a thing called TSA Cares, and they do a phenomenal work. They will choose a person to take you through security, and then after that, they will help you. But it's like also, it's like also, it's like also looking around, like at the several different stuff. Like for eating for free, you guys got like Guy's Burgers if you guys are on a select cruise. You guys got Bluegrass Casino. You guys also got like different places that you guys can go to. Alright guys, that's it. That's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up and make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Today's video was brought to you by carnival.com. Carnival, choose fun.